Welcome to your relaxation time. You have set this time aside just for yourself, for your own physical, mental, and emotional well-being. You've taken this time to take care of yourself. For today's activity, we're going to do a guided relaxation. We're going to begin by lying down. We'll do some deep breathing, and then we're going to allow our mind to start joining us in this relaxation time. So let's begin by finding a comfortable place to lie down. Make sure that you're comfortable laying on your back or your side. Stretch your legs out fully, no tension there. Put your arms down by your sides. Stretch your hands out, no clenching of fists. Settle around until your spine feels comfortable. And make sure your head is in a position that feels very relaxed. When you've found this position, settle in a little bit more by breathing in deeply, in through your nose and out through your mouth. And just feel yourself begin to relax. This is now your time. No other cares in the world are allowed in during this time. Let's do it again. Breathe in deeply through your nose. Feel that reviving air enter your lungs. Breathe out through your mouth in a nice, slow, controlled way, letting all the stressors and cares of the day breathe out with that air. Take time to relax and settle in one more time. Now that we feel relaxed, we're going to begin by some deep breathing. I want you to focus on drawing the air in through your nose, holding it just as long as is comfortable, and then breathing it out through your mouth. No strain and no stress here. So let's start. Let's begin with a very deep breath in through our nose. Feel it filling us with energy and life. Breathe out through your mouth in a slow and controlled way. Feel the stress and tension leaving you with that breathing out. We're going to do this 2 more times. Breathe in deeply through your nose, feeling the life and energy coming into you with that breath. And breathe out through your mouth in a slow, careful way, at the speed that you feel comfortable. 1 more time. We're going to breathe in deeply through our nose, feeling the air coming in, and breathe out slowly and carefully through our mouth. As we're feeling completely relaxed and our muscles in our body are relaxing into the surface we're lying on, we may notice that our mind is still active. It may be thinking on things, stressors of the day. We want to include our mind in this relaxation process because it's part of who we are. We want to begin to relax the mind. Let's begin by imagining a color. Think of your favorite color. Whatever that color is that makes you feel peaceful and happy. Imagine that that color is in the room with you. It's floating around gently. As you're breathing in and out, you're breathing in some of this color. You enjoy this feeling. It feels so good. Look at the color and watch it swirl. It makes you feel very comfortable and very happy. Continue gently breathing while you watch this color. It's just swirling around. It swirls around your head, caresses your cheek, swirls around your body, makes you feel comfortable. This color is your friend. It wants you to relax. Now imagine that the color begins to swirl down around your feet. It just swirls around. It's looking at your feet, making sure they're relaxed. It's swirling up your legs. It rests for a while on your torso around your heart. Imagine the color swirling and relaxing around your heart as your heart is beating. This is such a pleasant feeling. You wonder why you haven't thought of this color before. As it swirls around your heart, you feel some of that color begin to penetrate and touch your heart in a very positive way. It's making sure that your feelings and emotions in your heart are all pleasant and happy. The color is telling you that those things you were worrying about are okay. Everything will work out. Everything's all right in life. It begins to swirl and dance around your arms and out to your fingers. You feel the color touching your fingers, caressing them slightly, putting some of its warmth and positive attitude into your fingertips. You enjoy this feeling. It's a wonderful feeling. Now the color begins to swirl around your neck, touching the areas that sometimes feel stress, touching the tension. It swirls around your head, caressing your cheeks, your forehead, your hair, telling you everything is going to be okay. Next, this color, this wonderful color that you enjoy so much, begins to caress your eyes, easing out the tension around your eyes. It's touching the muscles around your eyes, your cheeks, your mouth, just caressing and gently massaging those muscles. You feel so comfortable, so relaxed. The color swirls around and you decide it's time to breathe some of this color in. So you breathe in a little bit more deeply, just enough to take in some of this color. You breathe it, you feel it coating the inside of your mouth in a positive way. This color has a taste. Imagine what the taste is. It's your favorite taste. It coats the inside of your mouth and makes it feel so good. It goes down through your throat, into your stomach where so much stress can be. You feel it swirl around, coating and easing the muscles of your stomach. You want more of this feeling. You take another breath in. You take another breath in. You take this color into your mouth and you taste it again. You swallow down and you feel more of this color coating the inside of your stomach. All that tension, upsetness that sometimes is in our stomachs gets coated like a gentle medicine swirling around. You take another deep breath in, and this time you direct the color down to your feet. You feel the tension relaxing even more in your feet and your legs. You feel this pulsing color gently going through your body on the inside, adding energy and comfort to your legs. Feel what this feels like. So comfortable. Let's take another deep breath in, and this time the color is going to go out to our arms, our fingers. We're going to feel it pulsating in our fingers. We feel our fingers almost vibrating in relaxation as this color reaches the tips of our fingers. Your fingers might even feel a little bit warm as the color is there. This is a wonderful feeling. You are so relaxed. We're going to breathe the color in one more time. And this time we're going to allow it go to the muscles of our shoulders and our neck and our head. We're going to feel the color touching all those muscles and relaxing them, swirling around in comfort, making the muscles of our face just feel so relaxed and comfortable. Our jaw is relaxed, our eyes are relaxed, our neck feels so comfortable. As the color swirls around, it's almost like a pillow that we're sinking into. We feel so relaxed and so comfortable. Feel what this sensation is like when you're this relaxed. No stressors of the world can touch you right now. Your heart feels relaxed and comfortable. Your blood is beating slowly and comfortably through your body, so relaxed. Your muscles are relaxed. Your arms and legs are so relaxed. Feel how healthy this feels. Feel how happy your mind is when you're in this state. We're going to rest here and breathe just for a minute to fully appreciate how comfortable we are. Let's take a minute and breathe in through our nose and comfortably out through our mouth, feeling how completely relaxed we are. The color is still around us, but it's slowly starting to fade away. It's done its job. It's helped us become completely relaxed and comfortable and confident that we can handle the rest of today, the rest of tomorrow, and the rest of this week. Breathing in through your nose and out through your mouth. You may see some of that color breathing out as you breathe out. That's okay. The color has done its job. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Now it's time to slowly rejoin the world. We've taken time for ourselves to rest, relax, and strengthen our body and mind. Now when you're ready, slowly begin to move your arms and legs just slightly. Feel them beginning to wake up. Breathe a little faster. And when you're ready, open your eyes and look around you. Make sure as you slowly sit up that you remember how this relaxation feels and bring some of it with you through the rest of the day.